Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Internet Freedom. I hope you guys have seen my last video where I have told you that how you can start making $100 with the help of content writing. And also I have also posted one of the video related to the YouTube that you can start making $100 just by posting the videos on a YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you that how you can start making $30 every hours just by watching the videos. Yes, you heard me right, every hour $30 by watching the videos. So if you're lazy, if you're not putting into the work, please don't watch this video because it is not for you. It's all about putting into the effort and making it happen. Okay, so like this video is all about that how you can test the apps, test the websites, or watch a video and start making the money if you don't have any money to start your internet marketing career. So I think you can like save some amount of money from these kind of websites and get into the full-time internet marketing career so that you can start investing the money on the Facebook ads, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, okay, or your own course launching. Okay, so let's jump over to my screen and start the video of today. Guys, let's start the video. Before starting the video, I just want to tell you that how this complete process works. This process works, suppose you have created a new software or a new website, or else you can take as a application that you have created. Now you want the user to test that application. So what you will do, you will go to these user testing websites, okay, and put all your project details there, and you will like as me, if I want to make a money, I will go to these websites and become a tester there. Okay, you need to go and sign up to become as a tester. Once you become a tester, you will start getting the projects, okay, and the like complete details of that project, and you need to spend 10 to 20 minutes of your time to get paid $10 in 20 minutes. So it means if you are working for 60 minutes, you will be getting a $30 every single hour. Okay, so I'm going to show you the legit way. Like this is a complete legit way. These websites are the world famous websites that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so you need to watch the video complete till the end so you can get so much value from it and start making the money from these websites. So as soon as possible you can go and jump into the internet marketing career and start spending the money on the advertisements. So I'm going to show you the website number one. The website number one is userfield.com. okay, this is the userfield.com, and as you can see, the tab button is there to become a tester. Okay, like you can go and you need to sign up to become as a tester. As you can see that become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, okay, and is completed with your home computer or a smartphone. You can use a smartphone or you can use a computer to get paid with these websites. This is the first website. The website name is userfield.com. okay, the second website is try my UI. Try my UI means try my user interface. Okay, you are like here also you are going to pay $10 for each test that you do. Okay, and the approx time it will take is 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, the third website is userlytics. Okay, the third website is userlytics, and here you can see you can like you will be get paid $5, $10, $15 or $20, or the highest amount. Like you can see here other amounts, some of our projects pay as much as $90. okay, so this is huge. Once you build your good reputation into these websites, you will start getting the projects on a regular basis and you can start making the money like frequently from these kind of websites. So I highly advise you, first you go to these websites which I have told you and start signing up here. Okay, and this is a big daddy of all these three websites. Okay, like here you can see this is the usertesting.com. it is having a very good reputation in the market, and it's been in like more than 20 years into the web place. Okay, so these all websites are trusted. Okay, so you can go and sign up for all these four websites that I have mentioned you today. Okay, and start making the money. Okay, and if you need like, I highly advise you, these websites are completely based on that how, like, you need to give your suggestions, you need to give your experience to those companies who are giving you projects. They are going to ask you some of the experiences and the user interface, if they have liked, and what kind of changes you need to make. You need to give a complete advice to them, and according to that, you are going to get paid the money into your PayPal. So you also don't forget to make the account on a PayPal, because you are going to get the money from these website directly into your PayPal account. Okay, I hope like the website I have told you today, like, you're going to work on these websites and start like making the money from all these kind of websites. Okay, and I hope you guys have liked the video, and don't forget to watch my earlier video that I have posted into my channel, because those videos are also really helpful. Keep in mind, like, you can start making the money from today if you are putting into the work. Just go and put into the work, you're going to make the money in a week time, that I can assure you. Okay, but you need to work for it. Okay, just don't sit and dream of it, just go and work for it. Okay, this is really going to help you. Once you collect the money from these websites, and save that money and start investing into the paid ads. Okay, either you can go into Shopify, affiliate marketing, sales funnel. There are a lot of things into the internet marketing that you can do, and start making a full living life with the internet. Okay, so just go and hit the subscribe button, because I am posting the video on a daily basis that actually provide you a lot of value. Okay, I'm and also I'm showing you the all the legit ways that you can start making the money online. Okay, and if you are like completely new to the channel, first go and hit the subscribe button, because on a every week basis I am posting new videos on affiliate marketing, sales funnel, SEO. Okay, and Google AdWords. Okay, just go and hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next video with some of the new topics that will help you to make money online.